I knew from a very early age what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to practice law. I knew I wanted to be an advocate. I wanted to challenge myself every day. I genuinely love standing up for individuals who need a voice and getting results that will affect people's lives in a meaningful way. And there's no other area of law than criminal defense that allows me to do that. The first time I heard about a 100-mile race, I thought it was ridiculous and there's no way anyone could do it. And it was all the more reason why I wanted to. I need a challenge all the time. I can't do something unless it gives me the opportunity to excel. The more challenging, the more difficult, the more intriguing, the more interesting it is for me. It gives me a lot of perspective. When you run 100 miles and you're at mile 90 and you think that there's no way you can get through it. You're spent, you've been running for 30 plus hours. You find a way to keep moving, and the sense of accomplishment is something that I can't describe. When I'm in the second or third week of a trial and I start getting tired, I can reflect back and say, I've run literally for 34 hours straight. I didn't stop then, I'm not stopping now. Doesn't mean we always have the winning argument, doesn't mean we always win. But I'll be damned if we're going to be outworked.
When they first accused me of arson, I was shocked. I was confused. I was just taken aback at the fact that they were looking at me for this. There was no, maybe I'll go to jail or maybe I won't. I was going to prison if I was found guilty. I needed somebody who was going to take the reins. I needed somebody who was confident, and I needed somebody who was going to make me feel confident that there was somebody on my side. Working with Dan was like watching a superhero help the victims of a tragedy. They covered every angle. You start seeing the things unfold in trial and you see how much work and the preparation. You feel like you've got America's Army behind your back.
None of the attorneys in my office are good. They're all excellent. Every case is assessed, every case is reviewed, and every attorney takes a different look at it. The attorneys that work with me have to meet my expectations. I have to be able to look myself in the mirror and say, if I was charged and this attorney was representing me, would they meet my expectations? And they exceed them. We have a network of resources that can address and help any individual in any circumstance. We are criminal trial lawyers. We love what we do, every one of us. It doesn't matter who we're representing, it doesn't matter what they're accused of, what they did or didn't do. Everyone's entitled to a defense. Once you're charged, you enter the criminal justice system. And sometimes it's fair, oftentimes it's not. But what you need to know is, no matter what your situation, we have your back. That's what we do.